How to recover your Twitter username and password. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to recover your Twitter username and password. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So you can see that I'm on my Twitter app and I have forgotten my username and password. So I'm going to enter my email over here, and then I'm going to send a prompt to my email, and then I'm going to change my password, and that's going to give me my username. So here, once you enter your email, you have to click next, and then they're going to send an email to your that very given email that you have put over there. So you have to click next, and here they are going to ask you to enter the code that they have sent to your Gmail. I'm going to come back once I see the code. So here you can see that I have entered the code that they have sent me, and now I can choose a new password if I want, and then I can put the password over here and I can confirm the password, and that's how you recover your username and password on Twitter. So I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.